Ready? Start. Sir, my ministry's functioning is guided by two objectives. One, to empower women to live with confidence, dignity, and economic and educational abilities. Two, to nurture children to develop their full potential and make them safe and healthy in protective environments. In the last few months, the ministry has taken up new areas of activities, processes, and new ways of doing things. This is intended to produce more outcomes and results that impact positively on our mandated community. This period has allowed us to review the past with a view to making future programs and activities impactful and significant. I will now try to take up the concern expressed by the honorable members of parliament and place before the August House various initiatives. If you have forgotten the question and the issues that you have taken up by now, I have a list and you are most welcome to ask me. One of the most important challenges before us is the decline child sex ratio and female foeticide. Many honorable members have touched upon the same subject in their own way. The declining sex ratio is alarming and disturbing. It has declined from 945 to 927 in 10 years and probably even less today. Coordinated and convergent efforts are needed to ensure survival, protection, and empowerment of the girl child. Recognizing the need for urgent action, the government has announced Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao program to empower the girl child and enable her education. Over the last few months, my ministry has worked closely with the ministries of Human Resources Development and Health and Family Welfare to design and prepare for implementation of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao initiative. This program seeks to arrest the trend of declining child sex ratio and over time to reverse it so that you will see the impact. We have taken 100 critical districts in all the states and union territories of the country and focused our action on them. I have taken workshops all over India. Just yesterday, I took a workshop at Amritsar to find out what is being done in this program. So far, it is going on extremely well. If you want the details, I am happy to give them to you. But first, I will finish my speech and then, if you have time, you can ask me the questions. I am prepared to answer them. This program was launched by the Honorable Prime Minister in January at Panipat. On this day, we also launched village to village outreach programs through mobile vans which carried the message of Beti Bachao Beti Padhao through audio-visual national presentation in the selected 100 districts. As I said, I have been personally connecting with district collectors and district magistrates of these 100 districts through video conferencing and by going there for monitoring the program. One of the important component of this program is to promote institutional delivery as has been suggested by the honorable members during the discussion. We worked with the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare to promote institutional deliveries. The key to the success of the initiatives will lie with the communities and Panchayati Raj institutions. I would like to make an appeal to the honorable members. If any of you come from these 100 districts, come and take part so that we can deliver results. Within 2 years, we expect to see a dramatic increase in the number of women. If any of you listen to the radio, you will also see that we have almost saturated it with uplifting messages. We have also done a lot of films. We have made every village make out a list of how many men, women, girls, and boys are there in each village so that they can see it for themselves. We have instituted rewards for informers who will tell us when a child is being aborted. I would like to inform the honorable members that abortion is not illegal, but when it comes to sex selection, abortion is illegal. We are giving awards to any village that reaches on a par status. A lot of work and effects have gone into making this program simple and doable. The head of each program is the district collector or district magistrate. Sir, we have started working on the establishment of one-stop centers for women who are affected by violence. I was really keen to start this last year. We have got the go ahead now, and the go ahead has been given for one per state to begin with. Once this is done and it starts working, then we will take it to the next level, which is one per district. Sir, we have requested the states and union territories to provide us land for establishing one stop centers. Stop.